Hi, I'm Richard, and today I'd like to show you our two new Halo screens. What you see here, they're two 43-inch. We've got a 43-inch flat and a 43-inch J-curve. They're both 400 candela, and these are both touch screens. I've got the test screen on here first because one of the things, specifically with the curve, we've seen a lot of curved displays out there which bleed quite badly around the edge on dark screens. They also, the curve on the front glass is not very linear, so you get patches and hot areas, cold areas, and see a lot of light degradation. These are probably the best we've seen. If I turn the light out now, you'll see again the black is very, very black. We've seen these displays where you'll see a light bleed around the sides, again specifically around the curve area. We can do this on almost any size. These are 43-inch. At the moment we've got a 43-inch flat, 43-inch J as I say, and a 43-inch C curve. But for very, very small setup, mainly quantities and production quantities, we can go down to as small as 7-inch and as high as 65-inch on the Halo effect. The displays are available as touch or non-touch, so we can see they are touch screen. So some customers actually take these without touch. The 43-inch, the big ones, tend to be used on big cabinets, but 21.5, 23.8, 27-inch, a lot of them tend to be put in landscape mode, where the bottom one is touch and the top two are just visual, but they want the same LED sequencing. We think they're the best in the market. I hope you agree. Contact our sales team and we'll see what we can do.